Branded gifts for your team. I just wanted to show you guys some of the popular customizable products that would make great gifts this Christmas. To start with, we have this branded box. You can get your branding on here, and inside there's a little branded notepad with a pen and a water bottle. In these branded boxes, you can also add in items like mints, key rings, lanyards, or a ton of other options. We also have these little boxes. They contain anything your co-worker would need for a cup of tea, a little biscuit, a tea bag, sugar, and don't forget your branded mug to go with it. Then we have these smaller notebooks. They come in a variety of colors and all come branded too. We also have beanies that are always a really popular item this season. They come branded, either embroidered or printed. And we have a variety of different beanies to keep your head warm this winter. Speaking of winter, we also have snoots. These come in a variety of colors, as you can see, and are all printed, and you can match them up with the beanies as well. Last but not least, we have advent calendars. These are always really popular to give to your team before December. They come branded, and we have milk chocolate and jelly bean. Get in touch if you want to find out more.